In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a column in Microsoft Project. By the end, you'll know exactly how to display more useful information in your task list, like duration, start and finish dates, percent complete, cost, or even your own custom fields. First, make sure you're looking at a sheet-style view where columns are visible. Common options include Gantt chart, task sheet, or tracking Gantt. If your screen looks more like a timeline or a dashboard, switch to one of those sheet views so the task table appears. This matters because columns can only be added in views that display a table. Next, move your mouse to the table header, the gray row at the top where you see existing column names like task name or duration. Right-click the column header at the spot where you want the new column to appear. You're telling Project the position for the new field, so choose the location that makes the most sense for your workflow, such as placing percent complete next to duration or start and finish side by side. From the menu that appears, choose Insert Column. Project will open a searchable, scrollable list of every field it supports. This is where you pick what you want to display. You can choose standard fields like start, finish, percent complete, and cost, or tap into custom fields such as Text 1 if you need a place to store notes, tags, or other project-specific labels. If the list feels long, start typing the field's name to jump straight to it. Click the field you want, and the new column will be added to your table instantly. You'll see existing values if the tasks already contain data for that field, and you can begin entering or updating values right away. This doesn't change how your schedule calculates. It simply exposes information that was already available in the project. You can repeat the same process to add as many columns as you need. Keep your view clean by grouping related fields together, and don't hesitate to adjust the layout so it supports how you plan and track. If you need more space, resize a column by dragging its edge, or rearrange the order by dragging a header to a new position. Adding a column is reversible, so feel free to experiment until the view shows exactly what you need. That's all it takes to add a column in Microsoft Project. Switch to a sheet-style view, right-click where you want it, choose Insert Column, and pick your field. With the right columns in place, your task list becomes a powerful, customized dashboard for managing progress and keeping your project on track.